I am the Mainly Digger, and today was a good day. I just start off. I got kicked out of a park. Not kicked out. I walked out of a park. I got told I couldn't metal detect, which is garbage because there's nothing posted. I did not argue. There's a little bit of that. It's a beautiful. It's Lake George. Still gorgeous. Still a gorgeous place. Just can't metal detect there. And it's a couple of hunts. Right now I'm at Fairfield Grange. I found something really cool. You gotta check that out. I found a piece of jewelry. That's my hint. And, then I went to, a couple of days ago, I went to just a local spot in Oakland where people go fishing. It's a local dam and it's just a cool spot. I found a lot of change, or I found change. I didn't find a lot of change, but I found some change. It was just a quick hunt and a quick little adventure. But I had a great day, even though I got kicked out of a park. Good day. Check out Lake George. Still a nice place. Check out my video because it's gonna be awesome. What I find is pretty cool. So I am at Lake George, which is in Cannon and Palmyra. I think it's called Palmyra. I can never say it right. Wait, don't get excuse me, don't get it confused with Lake St. George, which is near Augusta. Still, this is the middle of nowhere and I love it. Absolutely love it. We're just in the parking lot right now. But the water itself is closed due to goose poop. But this area is not, as far as I know. We'll see.
There's no metal detecting allowed at Lake George.
First penny of the day. I'm looking for a year. I want to do that, and you look at the ocean, or the water. Yeah, the ocean. It's Lake George. Looks like 1984. Is there a year? That's gorgeous. From 1976. Very cool. Coin spill, nickel from the 1988, and a couple dimes from the early 2000s. The relics. 1978. The bugs are kind of bad because it just rained, and I have bug spray on, so I'm gonna go put on my my pants. See how that goes. So this is like the third time I've done this portion because I go on a long rant. Both times I went on a long rant. There's no metal detecting allowed at Lake George, apparently, even though there's no signs or there's nothing on the website. Whatever. I'm going to the Fairfield Grange and metal detect around the Grange again, see what I find, and moving on. So first find, some random metal piece. It looks old. At the Grange in Fairfield, Victor Grange. Good times. I know I'm not going to get kicked out of this place, so see how this goes. Well, that's a square nail. It's pretty old. I've said it before, but there's a stable there, and you kind of see where the stable was. That's cool. I believe this penny is a weedy. That is awesome. I can barely make out. I can make out 19 and then maybe 50 something, but I can kind of make out the weed on the back. I'll have to go home and clean it out. Oh, it's a bent penny. That's the first. I moved back towards the actual Grange. I don't know the date, but that's a bent penny. I've seen like pennies run over by trains. There we go. But never a bent penny. That's interesting. Dime, modern dime. It's the same Grange that I pulled the mercury out of. So I got my hopes up. That is awesome. I just found a ring. I mean, I'll contact the Victor Grange Council and see if they want it, but there's an A engraved on it. That's pretty cool. I don't know how old it is. I don't know if it even belongs to this site because I think this is all fill, but that's pretty cool. No idea what that is. It's too flat to be a nail. I put a lot of work in for that this piece right here. No idea. Yeah, Maine is getting, it is definitely summertime in Maine. I am dressed for colder weather, and it is not colder weather. Anyway, so here is one of my favorite finds of the day. It's a wheat, definitely a wheat penny. I'll have to clean it up. You can see the 50 on it, or the 5. But that's cool. My favorite find is this ring. I don't know if it's real, I don't know if it's costume, but it has an A on it. That is awesome. That is awesome. Clean it up, or just give it back to it belongs to somebody at the Grange. There we go. Words. Someone's been out in the sun too long. And I found a whole bunch of pennies. They're all, I mean, they're all clad. But I only found 2 pull tabs. I was surprised, especially with the Ace 150. Only found 2 pull tabs. Getting better with it. And I found this piece, which is, I don't know what it is. Found screws. Just took this out because it's right where they park, and that looks like it'll go straight into your tire. I just had a flat tire, so like I feel the pain. Anyway, good day. Mainly dig out. So I'm at a local spot, the beach in Oakland. This is a local spot in Oakland. A lot of people fish from this area. There's a lot of big bass that come out of this spot right there that have been here because they don't really go anywhere, and they eat whatever that comes in. Anyway, it's not the focus. Oakland Beach is over there. I've been over there twice in my videos. See my videos. So this is Messalonsky Lake, and this is Messalonsky Stream, which is awesome. So did some metal detecting, found some coins. You'll see that at the end of the video. Well, you'll see the metal detecting throughout the video, but you'll see the coin review at the end of it. There's a trail there and a trail there, and it kind of loops around. Kind of doing a scouting thing where I'm scouting out the next stop I'm going to, so I don't want to go too in depth. I don't want to go into tick infested spots. That's my biggest worry. I got bug spray on, but I don't want, I don't have tick spray. I don't have my tick clothes on, my tick protection. So we'll see how this goes. Mainly dig out. Kind of a trail. This trail doesn't have a name. It's locals come here to go fish and, do teen stuff, party, drink beer, stuff like that. But mostly fish. They come here to fish a lot. I'm gonna do a little metal detecting eventually, but I figure I'd go on a little hike. So this area, central Maine, Waterville, Oakland, has a lot of public works, public waterworks is huge. And they have a lot of old buildings, which I'd love to get permission to go detect. I haven't yet, but I will. So, see, Oakland Beach is right there. And it goes around the bend like that. Great. People used to come out here and party, jump, swim, stuff like that. So I'm going to take the metal detector out and see what I can find. Hopefully I won't find any ticks. Oh, first coin of the day, a penny. As always. Can't really read the year. It's a memorial though. So yeah, I'm just walking down the trail I just showed you. I walked down it, and then it kind of curves around. I got the metal detector and stuff. So I contacted Garrett because I was trying to find the cover. I wanted to pay for a new cover for my my AT Pro, and contacted Garrett, asking him about it, and they're gonna send me a new one. I'm not paying, like they said I didn't have to pay for it, so it's awesome. Stoked about that. I'm just surprised. I mean, I knew they were a good company, but that's awesome. Another clad penny. Still a gorgeous spot. Quick little trip, gorgeous spot. Love it. 2 memorials, 1 hole. Actually, it was 3 memorials. It was the same hole that I just found them in. Always check your holes twice, even 3 times. Mainly dig out. Oh, it's a piece of pipe or something. That's pretty cool. You can see the grooves right there. So, awesome little stream. I'm not getting down here. I'd love to get down in there and do some metal detecting. Not today, but if you look, this is some great, I can't wait to get down in there. I'm just kind of looking for a way to get in there next time. Found it, it's over there. And you can see like where it's been built up. The stream had a lot of mills on it. This Messaloncy stream had a lot of mills. They made axe heads and furniture and tools and different things like that.